By the way, Shaq.
If he doesn't go first pitch with me, he's gonna go later in the count. You know what I mean? So I should almost sit on his curve if I wanted to. You know, instead of his curve. It's risky.
Oh, no, he didn't go. Hey, corner's trash.
Hey, bad. Probably like, he's probably just gonna challenge. It just depends. If these guys curve over, right? I don't know. Probably. I'll probably just like fastballs. He gives me a curve, I'll take it. But he's going back to back. You know what I mean? So it's like shit. Oh no, it doesn't have to be super good.
Oh!
I shouldn't have hang for right side.